Hello everyone, super cool exit sign 650 here, and today, guess what's above my door? Is a Sure-Lites LPX exit light combo. See, I already installed it. Note right, this is not my second setup, I was just looking, you know, seeing it installed for you guys. So like, Meep City 534, if you're watching this, I promise you. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Yep. That is extremely bright. So this head pointing over here, right at the wall, and then the other head is pointing on my bed. And it's a good thing I got this combo. This is my favorite. I don't mind red. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Please. And I'll see you on the next one. Super cool exit sign 650 out.